Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at top 7 most costly CVs to maintain and repair 2024. Number 7. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot, a trusty and spacious SUV, might seem like a champion on the road, but it can turn into a contender in the cost ring when it comes to maintenance and repairs. While Honda boasts a reputation for reliable vehicles, the Pilot falls a tad short of stellar in terms of affordability. RepairPal, a car repair estimator, suggests that the Pilot averages around $542 annually for maintenance, which is slightly higher than the industry standard of $428. This means you might be shelling out a bit more for routine upkeep compared to other SUVs. Additionally, CarEdge, a car ownership cost estimator, predicts that a Pilot will go through roughly $7,373 worth of maintenance and repairs within its first 10 years of service. So, what exactly contributes to these costs? One factor might be the Pilot's powerful engine, which translates to thrilling rides but can also lead to slightly higher maintenance needs compared to more fuel-efficient options. The complexity of certain repairs specific to the Pilot might also influence the bill. Ultimately, the Pilot's blend of reliability, comfort, and capability might outweigh the maintenance considerations for many drivers. Number 6. Nissan Pathfinder. The Nissan Pathfinder, a popular mid-size SUV, boasts comfortable seating and a smooth ride. But when it comes to keeping it running, the Pathfinder might leave your wallet feeling a little lighter than expected. According to CarEdge, Pathfinders can cost around $7,558 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years of ownership. That's slightly above average for similar SUVs. There's also a 22% chance you'll encounter a major repair during that time frame. One factor contributing to these costs could be the Pathfinder's fuel economy. While offering a spacious interior, it also comes with a larger engine that thirsts for gas. The combined fuel economy for most Pathfinder models falls in the mid-20s mpg range, meaning you'll likely spend more at the pump to keep it fueled. This translates to more frequent trips to the mechanic for routine maintenance like oil changes and filter replacements, adding to the overall ownership cost. So, while the Pathfinder delivers on comfort and capability, be prepared to invest a little extra in keeping this trusty steed on the road. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner, a beloved SUV known for its off-road prowess and durability, might not be the champion of budget-friendly maintenance. While Toyotas hold a reputation for reliability, the 4Runner's rugged build and penchant for adventure can translate to higher repair costs. Consumer Reports puts the average maintenance cost for a 4Runner over the first 10 years at around $5,825. That's a bump compared to the industry standard for similar SUVs, which sits around $2,500. This higher cost can be attributed to a few factors. Firstly, the 4Runner's powerful engine, while delivering excellent towing capacity, gulps down gas compared to some rivals. This means more frequent trips to the pump, with fuel economy figures hovering around 17 miles per gallon in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. Secondly, the 4Runner's off-roading capability comes with beefier parts that are generally more expensive to maintain and replace when compared to a standard SUV. Consider it an investment in your off-road excursions. However, there's a silver lining. The 4Runner's renowned reliability means those maintenance costs are likely spread out over fewer visits. You might spend more on a single fix, but those fixes should be less frequent. So, while the 4Runner might not be the most frugal choice on the maintenance front, its durability ensures you get your money's worth in the long run. Number 4. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse, a spacious and comfortable SUV, might leave your wallet feeling a tad lighter when it comes to maintenance and repairs. While averaging a decent 18 to 20 miles per gallon depending on the engine option, keeping this Chevy on the road can cost a bit more than some rivals. RepairPal estimates an annual repair cost of $656, which is slightly above average for mid-size SUVs. Additionally, CarEdge predicts a total maintenance and repair cost of around $8,790 for the first 10 years of ownership. There's also a 26% chance a Traverse will need a major repair during that time frame, which is slightly higher than similar SUVs. So, what exactly contributes to these costs? One factor could be the Traverse's size and powerful engine options. Bigger vehicles often require more parts and labor for repairs, translating to higher bills. The Traverse's complex features, while offering comfort and convenience, can also add to maintenance complexity. The good news? The Traverse boasts a reliability rating of 3.5 out of 5 by RepairPal, indicating it's generally dependable. Following the recommended maintenance schedule and using qualified mechanics can help keep costs in check. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler. The iconic Jeep Wrangler, beloved for its rugged off-road prowess, can also be a bit of a spendthrift when it comes to maintenance and repairs. Compared to the average SUV, Wranglers can cost an extra $1,264 over the first 10 years of ownership, according to Consumer Reports. That translates to a total cost of around $10,397 for keeping your Wrangler in tip-top shape. There are a couple of reasons behind this. Wranglers are built for tough terrain, and that heavy-duty construction comes at a price. Parts tend to be more robust and specialized compared to a typical SUV, which can inflate replacement costs. Additionally, Wranglers aren't exactly known for their fuel efficiency. The Wrangler's thirsty engine means more frequent trips to the pump, adding to the overall ownership cost. So if you crave the open road and the freedom of off-roading, the Jeep Wrangler is a fantastic choice. Just be prepared to shell out a bit extra to keep this adventurous spirit running smoothly. Think of it as an investment in keeping your fun machine ready for the next expedition. Number 2. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer, a spacious and popular SUV, might leave your wallet feeling a tad lighter when it comes to maintenance and repairs. According to Consumer Reports, the Explorer averages around $732 annually for routine maintenance. While this might seem manageable, it's worth noting that this figure sits above the average cost for most SUVs. Additionally, there's a 26.6% chance that your Explorer will require a major repair within its first 10 years of service. While not a guarantee, this possibility can translate to unexpected and potentially hefty repair bills. There are a couple of reasons behind these costs. Firstly, the Explorer isn't exactly a fuel-sipping champion. While exact figures depend on the engine option, you can expect mileage hovering around the mid-teens. Secondly, some repairs on the Explorer can be more complex compared to simpler vehicles. While some of this complexity might translate into a more refined driving experience, it can also lead to pricier repairs when those inevitable breakdowns occur. So if you're considering a Ford Explorer, be sure to factor in the potential maintenance and repair costs alongside the initial purchase price. While the Explorer offers a lot of SUV for your buck, keeping it running smoothly might require keeping a closer eye on your budget. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, a capable and adventurous SUV, can take you further off the beaten path, but those excursions might come at a cost. While Jeep itself offers prepaid maintenance plans to ease the sting, the Grand Cherokee tends to be pricier to maintain and repair compared to other SUVs in its class. According to Consumer Reports, over a 10-year ownership period, you can expect to shell out an average of $10,484 on maintenance and repairs. That's $1,351 more than the industry standard for similar SUVs. Part of the reason for this can be attributed to the Grand Cherokee's off-road prowess. Tough components built to handle rugged terrain can translate to higher replacement costs when repairs are needed. Additionally, the Grand Cherokee's powerful engines, while delivering exhilarating performance, also tend to be thirstier on gas compared to some competitors. So, if you crave the freedom of the open road and the thrill of off-road adventures, the Jeep Grand Cherokee might be your perfect match. Just be prepared to invest a bit more in keeping this adventurous spirit running smoothly. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.